Hi beloveds, I am super excited to share my Black Friday special that just launched today, November 1st. I'm going to help you get unstuck and re-inspired without having to go it alone. I am going to help you make real, meaningful progress on a goal before the end of the year. So give yourself this gift of progress. This is for you if, number one, if you have a goal that you haven't accomplished yet because you lack clear direction, you don't have the time or the motivation. Or number two, you're busy and you have prioritized everyone and everything except yourself. Or finally, three, this is for you if you want big progress on something important in a short amount of time. This Black Friday special is tailored to you and whatever your specific goal is. Some of the technical things this includes is it's 30 days of support, and that includes 2 one-on-one private goal achievement calls with me targeted at helping you make this meaningful progress. And you'll receive weekly messenger or email check-ins where I provide you with extra support and resources and encouragement. And so keep in mind, this special offer starts November 20th and it ends December 20th. So it is 30 days. And again, this is going to help you to get progress on something important that's going to make a meaningful difference right away. So if you have a goal that you've been kicking the can down the street on, you definitely want to get in on this. So it is time to get unstuck. It is time to get inspired, y'all, okay? Now, this offer is valued at $1,628. But this special Black Friday special, it's only $397, okay? So that is a huge no-brainer. We're going from $1,628 to only $397. Limited amount of time. You only have, I think this is 15 days now because the last day to enroll is November 15th. Today's November 1st. And so I've got to end it on that day because this special, the value is just so ridiculous because you're only getting it for $397. Like I just cannot keep that longer than the 15th. So if you get in before the 15th, great. But if you still want to get in, you can still do that after the 15th, but it's going to be at the full price of $1,628. All right. So remember these dates. Sign up closes November 15th. That's the last day to sign up. Program starts 11/20. Okay. November 20th. Program ends December 20th. All right. So how much would you pay for peace of mind, for some more confidence, for less anxiety around whatever this end of year goal is? If you ask me, to me, that's priceless. I don't want anxiety. I want some peace of mind. I want to make progress on my goals. And we are pretty much at the end of the year. I accept help. I invite help too. And I can tell you that I have not gotten where I am without help. I have a support network. I even have my own coach. I have my own, folks who help me do what I do. Cannot do it by myself. Wouldn't want to. It's not the right thing to do by myself after a certain point. So if you know you're at that point when you need some help, like this is a good opportunity to do that. When I make progress on my goals, I get re-inspired and I get re-energized. And that's why and how I came up with this Black Friday special. Because I want you to enjoy the benefit of being inspired by your own progress. And finally, again, this is custom tailored to you. You choose your goal. And I'm with you every step of the way for 30 days. So give yourself this gift of progress. Give yourself this peace of mind, less anxiety, more confidence before the year is over. So you know how to get in touch with me if you have any questions, or if you want to get started and you're ready to rock and roll, let's go. I'm there with you. Be in touch with me. Bye-bye. See you soon.